Permaculture is a design system for human settlement. It works not only with nature, but benefits it. A lot of people get permaculture confused with just a gardening technique, but it is so much more. Permaculture is about connecting elements to reduce costs and improve efficiency and productivity. A permaculture design course, an exciting course that has so much to offer. It is a positive and safe place to learn about nature and ecology, especially for those of us who are far removed from where our food, water, and resources come from. People come to permaculture because they are looking for a better quality of life. They are seeking a way to live and eat clean and healthy without putting chemicals into their body and the soil. So if you are an apartment dweller, or you live in the suburbs, or have a farm or a ranch, a permaculture design course can show you how to design your life in harmony with the natural systems around you to be part of the solution that our people and our planet need. Come with us. Take your first step. Start living the life that you've always wanted to live. A life in harmony with creation and the natural world around you. Come get your foundation with us. But don't just take my word for it.
I've been looking forward to doing this for many years, and it never really came to fruition. But I finally decided it was time to change the world in my little corner of it, and thought this was the best way to go about it.
I had been looking for something like this for some time in order to try to figure out how to grow food in my yard, how to have a place where my grandchildren could come and see that food does not grow from a box, but that it comes from the ground. And so I was extremely excited to find out that there was a class in Plano, close to me, that was teaching just exactly what I wanted to know.
The School of Permaculture has been great. We started out in a house. It was a nice little tight-knit group of people. We've made it over into a larger building, and it's just been better and better as we've been able to learn more and more.
And actually, it's totally changed my perspective. I really enjoyed the course. Got a lot of information I didn't have before.
My experience with the Permaculture design course has been really good. It was a lot more than I had anticipated receiving as far as information.
One of the things we learned in permaculture is we talk about building a community, and I felt like I was part of the community out here with the students that we have. So it was a very positive experience, and I feel that I learned something as well.